Welcome to week 7 of Phil 210 asynchronous sessions. This week we're going to look at decolonizing with AI. What do you think about the idea that we can use colonialist technologies for the purpose of cultural survival and transmission of language skills? Please watch this video. Why First Languages AI Can Be a Reality. Michael Runningwolf, TEDx Boston, which addresses this topic. We have a number of handouts, including a transcription of the impact of colonialist ideology, basic art, and design, vocabulary concepts, clarification slideshow, paper requirements, instructions document, and elements of a good theory. We have sources from Library of Congress, information about drafting the term, paper and online resources. Then we have the weekly forums. In addition to looking at what we have in the unit, please check assignments. Of course, as always, read the handouts, watch the videos, complete the forums. All right, here we have additional video that discusses the origin of racism in the United States. In this reading on decolonization of research methods, students are asked to read the first 4 pages of this document. Please watch the impact of colonialist ideology presentation video. Again, the transcript is over here under handouts. If the video will not advance, please use the direct link to watch it. Please also watch the Cartesian skepticism video and 5 tips to improve your critical thinking. I also highly recommend this clarification of concepts video. That's about it for this week. About the forums, reminders, students are asked to tell me what they've learned from the course videos so far. As the instructions read, please write approximately 300 words in length or record 3 minutes of video report about, for example, what you thought about the comparative world religions video from last week or videos from the term so far that were the most interesting. Thank you very much. Please remember, if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to email me or come visit me during my regular office hours or during the course workshop time online. All right, thank you very much. Be well, and I'll see you again soon.